everyone, check this out. We've been talking about, or I've been talking about this for a long time, tearing down these classrooms, and today it's finally happening. We have a drug and alcohol rehabilitation center here, and these guys are volunteering to tear down the classrooms. It is just before 11 a.m. and they started about at around 8 o'clock, so it's moving quick. And of course, you know, this SOC's Kodak moment. Yeah. Some deported guys. So this stuff, you know, would be garbage in the US or Canada, but here we'll reuse it for stuff, windows, window protection, and the doors. All this stuff will get reused or given away, but it's definitely not going into the trash or recycle. So it won't be on the new school. No worries about that. But this is what's happening to the existing classroom. So hey, now you can see this really good. So if we walk from the what they would call the punch out here, which is like the main patio at the school ground, you walk right through the patio. Oh, we can't get through there. Right about here. There we go. So this will be a bridge. You walk right over this bridge and into the school. There it is right there. And this will be connected. Staircase is coming along slowly. Buenos días. Oh, wow. Hey, mira. Ahí va. Esto es para colar, ¿verdad? Sí. Ajá. Pretty rough right now, but it'll get smoothed out. You know, when we were back here building, we had to walk around the oops, let me get out of here. You would think I would know how to work this better. Sorry. Okay. When we were back here building, we had to walk around the classrooms, and so it seemed that the new school building was really far away. But as you can see now, we're looking straight through to the other side, and we're really not that far away. There's some teachers over there sitting, having lunch. There's a teachers meeting, and here we're at. So we're really connected. some provisional steps. See how I do getting up here? Okay, pretty cool. Nice. So, wow, they're not as steep as I thought they were going to be. Let's try this. So, yeah, walking down the hallway, and let's see if I can do this without falling through. Yeah, everything feels really normal, with 3 nice landings here. 1, 2, 3. And down to the bottom. Yeah, it's easy, it's nice. I like it. Hi everyone. We've had 2.5 days of some pretty heavy rain in Tijuana, which kind of shut down the momentum here. There were a few guys that kept working. But I don't know how well you'll be able to see. It hasn't rained for over 24 hours, but it's pretty muddy in here still. This place got soaked. The wind drove the rain all the way through the windows, all the way in here. It's just, I guess it's not surprising, but it seems surprising. On this side it's a lot drier, which is not just because of the sun. The storm came from the south, and I'm looking south. So, but the rain really came from the north windows. Oh, cool. Hey, here's something cool. Our steps have been finished. ¿Se puede pisar o todavía no? Sí, ya se secó. Wow, the steps look really cool. I really like the look. Wow, se ven bien bonitos, ¿verdad? Es un buen look. Wow, se ve bien bonito. The steps look really pretty. Ahí está. Se brilla, se proteja. Wow. So they'll be polished. Or at least with a seal on it. They look great. ¿Se puedo subir? Sí, ok. ¿Gusta verles? Buenos días. Buenos días, todo el día. Let's see if I can do the same thing. There we go.